What's up everybody, I'm Alexander Travelbum, and this behind the camera is Sandra, and we are traveling around America in this van. Let me show you. So this is a 2000 Chevy Express. We painted the outside of this. This lovely color you see here is camo green. It's Plasti-Dip, and Plasti-Dip is actually a rubberized paint. So it's much cheaper. You can take it off if you mess up, and so that's why we chose to do that. Come around to the front real quick. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Trailmaster, which means it comes with these padded seats, and so it's really good for long drives. In the middle here, we have our cooler. So we have all our snacks and easy access items for while we're driving. We have a backup camera here, and then Sandra keeps her rock collection up here. We have our Bigfoot from Oregon. We had mood lighting, courtesy lighting, and some other things up here, but we decided to turn them off because we don't need to waste the power with those. Okay, now Sandra's gonna take us to the garage.
The garage. So we've got our huts.
A little louder.
So we've got
Okay, medium.
We divided our spaces here so that I have this little area, Alex has this part, and then this is our just communal space. We have le toilette right here. Got a fan, all of his art supplies, a fishing box. What's in our toilet, you might ask? So Alex thought it'd be really funny to name her toilet. So it's called Le Toilette. I don't think it's that fun. And in here is our paint cups. This is Alex's because he's like a gallon a night, I mean. This is mine whenever I'm desperate. We've got our yoga mats right here. This is mine, this is his. I don't know what he keeps in there, but it looks like there's some shampoo. So we've got this Reflectix that we put up here at night just to keep it a little bit warmer or cooler if it's hot. This is a cast iron pan my mom gave us. It's oiled, so that's why it's wrapped in a bag.
All right, Sandra couldn't get it out, so I'm gonna take over, but this is our DIY shower that I made. So I made this out of a weed sprayer. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'll show you right here how it works. We pretty much use this shower whenever we don't have a Planet Fitness to go to use their showers, or a hot spring. Alright, now for the good stuff. We're gonna bring you to the inside. Get ready for some magic. Okay, so first of all, we have a rug here. Keeps the floor from being too cold at night. And since we don't have a high roof van like we wish we had, we use these to kneel on or to sit on. Now I'll show you our kitchen. We have a mini fridge here. It's very small. We can't keep too many things in here. Maybe a bottle of milk, some eggs, some hummus, and a couple frozen things. And then we have our vintage cooler, which we keep all of our dry foods in. We took a really ugly dresser from a thrift store that was maybe $40, and we turned it into this. One thing we did to make it a a little bit better, a little bit more fun is we put new knobs on it. Look, take a look at these. They're whales. Okay, so first drawer here, it's a little dirty right now, but we keep our silverware and anything else we want to throw in there because we don't know where to put it. But look at this, we have gold silverware. And then the second drawer here, open up the whale knobs, we have all of our mugs and our plates. Okay, and then in the middle here, we keep things like all of our pots and pans, our Vitamix. We like to eat on these on the bed because we don't have a proper table in here. We just put this onto the bed, put our plates onto here, and it looks really nice. Oh, this is our sink. I upgraded from the last time I built this in here. I used a salad bowl and turned it into a sink. But now we spent about $40 and we got a nice sink from IKEA. And this is a manual pump sink. So you just pump it like this and your water comes out. We took out these drawers, we put them together, and now it comes out as one piece. When we want to change up our water, we just put that there. So under here we have two 5-gallon jugs. So we have the tube from this one, from our clean water, going up into the faucet over here. And then we have the drain draining out into our gray water tank over here. So we have our colander up here. We have our salt, our oils, some other things that Sandra keeps, little flowers in a jar. I don't know what this is. It's tea. We have our mirror over here. Take a look, say hi. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we also have solar. We have 3 100-watt solar panels on the roof, and they go down through the side into here. This is our inverter. The inverter has 4 plugs, so we can plug in our laptops, the fridge, these lights, anything we cook with. You can place it there. And then we have the controller right here. And as you can see, the battery is completely full and it's charging right now because the sun is out. Here's our little broom. That's all you really need for a small space like this. But this is our induction burner. Induction is awesome because it takes less energy. It also cooks a lot faster than regular gas or electric stoves. I think this was also about $20. I have it linked below if you want to check it out. All right, take a look at our bed. So this bed, we built the frame ourselves, and it's about a full-size frame. It just happened to be a full size that worked. So if you take a look under here, this is where we keep our clothes. Voila. Here are my 2 boxes for my clothes, and these are Sandra's over here. So we basically built it out of plywood that we got from Home Depot. It was about $15 for the whole sheet here. Sandra made these curtains. They're a lovely material on the front, and then on the back we have this blackout material. Okay, so we also have a TV right up here, an American flag up here because we're driving around the United States.
And we're American.
And we're American. I have 300-watt solar panels up here, and it worked really well while I was doing my solo travels. And now that I have a second person, this one taking up more energy, it still works pretty well. All right, we have curtains around the whole van like this. And these ones, we just put up here with Velcro. So that we can keep these windows open at night and we don't have any bugs, scorpions, snakes coming in here at night. I put this mesh screen up in here so that we can leave these open and we won't have any mosquitoes or bears coming in. So here we have a bellow. She thinks it's called a bellow. It's a fire blower, and it was gifted to us as a van warming gift from her mother. We have a little sticker collection slowly but surely growing over here. We have the California bear where I started, where I'm from. We have Oregon, where Sandra's from, and right now we are in New Mexico. So we have a general route that we're gonna take while we're traveling around the United States and Canada, but we don't know about everything. So if you live in the United States or you've traveled around here and you know of some really awesome spots to go to, please comment down below and let us know where we should go. We actually have videos from around America. We're traveling in a van and making videos almost every day on this channel. So please like this video if you like the van, subscribe if you haven't already so that you can see the rest of the adventure. Thanks for watching. I'm Alexander Travelbum, and I will see you in the next video.
This is awkward.